One of the best ways to transform your gaming experience is to get a 32-inch curved monitor for only $219. A curved monitor has many benefits for gaming, especially when it comes to immersion and field of view. In this section, I will explain how a curved monitor enhances these two aspects of gaming and why you should consider getting one. First, let's talk about immersion. Immersion is the feeling of being fully engaged and involved in a game, as if you are part of the virtual world. A curved monitor can increase immersion by wrapping around your field of vision, creating a more realistic representation of the world than a flat monitor. A curved monitor also creates the illusion of peripheral vision, which makes you feel like you can see more of the environment around you. This can make playing games more immersive, especially open-world games where you can explore different landscapes and scenarios. Second, let's talk about field of view. Field of view is the extent of the observable world that you can see at any given moment. A curved monitor can improve your field of view by providing a wider viewing angle than a flat monitor. This means you can see more of the game on the screen without having to move your head or eyes as much. A wider field of view can give you an advantage in gaming, especially in fast-paced games where you need to react quickly to enemies or obstacles. A wider field of view can also help reduce eye strain, since your eyes don't have to work as hard to adjust to images at varying distances on the screen. As you can see, a curved monitor can enhance your gaming experience by making it more immersive and giving you a better field of view. A 32-inch curved monitor is a great size for gaming, since it is large enough to fill your peripheral vision without being too overwhelming. And for only $219, you can get a high-quality curved monitor that will transform your gaming experience without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself a 32-inch curved monitor today and enjoy gaming like never before. One of the best ways to transform your gaming experience is to upgrade your monitor. And if you want a monitor that offers a large and clear display without compromising on performance, you might want to consider a 32-inch curved monitor. In this section, I will explain how a 32-inch curved monitor can enhance your gaming experience in several ways. First of all, a 32-inch curved monitor gives you a wider field of view than a flat monitor of the same size. This means you can see more of the game world on your screen, which can give you an advantage in games where situational awareness is important. You can also enjoy a more immersive gaming experience, as the curved screen wraps around your peripheral vision and creates a sense of depth and realism. Secondly, a 32-inch curved monitor can reduce reflections and glare on your screen, which can improve your visibility and comfort. Because the screen is curved inward, it reflects less light from the surroundings than a flat screen. This can help you avoid eye strain and headaches caused by bright or uneven lighting in your room. Thirdly, a 32-inch curved monitor can deliver high-quality visuals and performance without sacrificing speed or responsiveness. You can find curved monitors with high resolutions, such as 4K or QHD, which can display sharp and detailed graphics. You can also find curved monitors with high refresh rates, such as 144 Hz or 240 Hz, which can provide smooth and fluid gameplay. And you can find curved monitors with low response times, such as 1 millisecond or 4 milliseconds, which can reduce input lag and ghosting. As you can see, a 32-inch curved monitor offers a large and clear display without compromising on performance. It can give you a wider field of view, reduce reflections and glare, and deliver high-quality visuals and performance. If you want to transform your gaming experience with a 32-inch curved monitor for only $219, check out the link in the description below.